Hello, good morning students. Last week we were studying about a poem on the water, correct? There are two boys, correct? There is one man and, or you can say there are two persons or two people. They are sailing by boat. They are gliding on the water blue and they are telling that there are so many waves which ripples and they run twinkling brightly in the sun. The waves of the water are shining in the sunlight. While reflected, we can see shadows of each hill. When sunlight falls on the hills and trees, the shadow of those trees and hills fall on the water, and that shadow we are able to see while traveling by water or by you can say by sailing on a water. Again, then poet is saying that see the lilies round and large. Now lilies means what? Kamal flower. Kamal बघितलेलं असतं ना. See the lilies. Now here front side it is there. See the lilies. What is given here? See the lilies round and large floating near the reedy marge. Reedy marge means what? On the edges. Correct or not? When there are two. When water, there are two sides of waters, correct? When water flows, at that time there are two sides, and this is called, these two sides are called what? They are called reedy marge. What they are called? They are called reedy marge. And what grows over there? Lily plants, okay, on the edges of the water, where the bulrush have its place and a heavy water maze. Bulrush means what? Bulrush means a grass like plant. Now this is grass like plant. Can you see here? Bulrush. It is a grass like plant which grows on the edges. किनाऱ्यावरती, okay? पाण्याच्या किनाऱ्यावरती उगणारे bulrush. What is name of that plant? Bulrush. What this bulrush are doing? They are growing on the edges of the water, and here they have told that where the bulrush has its place and the heavy water maze, means there are reed like water plant, okay, grass, in short you can say grass. There is a grass which grows on the edges means what? किनाऱ्यावरती. and किनाऱ्याच्या मध्ये कोणते प्लांट ग्रो होतात? लिलीज, okay, red lilies, kamal flower it is called. For lilies in Marathi it is called kamal flower, okay, kamal fool you can say. Next stanza 4th. See the great green dragonfly and the shallow skimming by. See the fishes spring and gleam ere they splash into the stream. Now here it is told that there is a dragonfly who swallows skimming by. Skimming by means what? That the matter which is removed on the surface. For example, how we do skimming of milk. Then what is there on the milk? What is there? Malai or sai we say, okay. And what we do, when we remove that upside layer of milk after boiling milk, sai ज्यावेळेस आपण काढून टाकतो त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? That process is called skimming. Here it is told that see the great green dragonfly and the swallow skimming by. See the fishes spring and gleam. There are so many fishes, they are going up and down in the water, and what they are doing? They are shining in the sun. They spring and gleam, and here they splash into the stream. There are so many fishes. What they do? They are jumping in the water, and when they jump at that time they look bright, their body shines, okay, they look so bright and their body shines, and when they fall into the water, jump before. Air means what? Air means before. These fishes, when they jump into the water, before that what happens? Their body shines, their body gleams. Are you getting or not? And when they jump into the water, what happens? Water splashes out. Pani udto, okay, water splashes out. And the last stanza of the poem is, see the bright kingfisher too, okay, dart a gleam of green and blue. Dart a gleam means what? Moves suddenly. There is a kingfisher in the water and that kingfisher also moves very quickly. See the bright kingfisher too moves suddenly of green and blue. You see here, there is a kingfisher sitting on the tree. See the kingfisher, what he does? There is a kingfisher who moves quickly. These are all around our boat on the way. Whistled we float. Okay, pankavla, khandya pakshi, it is called pankavla. Kingfisher is called what? Pankavla. In Marathi it is called khandya pakshi. What he is doing? When our boat is going, when he saw us, he moves quickly. And this is all what we see around our boat. Poet is saying, we are seeing waves floating, there is lilies in the water, there are lilies grown in the water, there are some bulrush grown on the sea, on the water shore, correct, on the edges. More what they saw, they are seeing fishes jumping into the water, and when they jump at that time their body shines, correct. There are so many hills and trees around our near our water body, and when sun shines, the shadow of trees and hills falls on the water. There are so many, we are seeing nature around us. So poet is saying that this is all what I am seeing around our boat. In this way we have completed poem. Question answers of this poem we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay, thank you. What is your homework? You have to write down this poem in notebook. Okay, please write down poem in notebook and word meanings of words which I have given you. For example, here now, bulrush, air, it is there, meanings of words are given here. Write down meanings of words in your meanings of words in your English notebook, and complete writing of poem also in your notebook. Okay, thank you.